How to transfer crypto from OKX app to Binance Exchange. Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you the ways to transfer crypto from OKX app to Binance Exchange. So for that case, you just have to go and log in into your OKX application. First of all, when you're logged in, it's going to take you to this field where you have to go ahead and press on the asset button. And next, what you can do is you could just go ahead and select the asset that you wish to transfer, or you could just go to the trade button, and from here you could select the asset and all that. So as per the wallet address, what you have to do is you need to exit out of your OKX and then go and log in into your account. When you're logged in, and right on this page, once again go ahead and press the trade icon or the wallet. So here you could go ahead and press the wallet, and next what you can do is you could just go ahead and copy the wallet address of the asset and exit out of your Binance and log into your OKX. On this field, you need to go ahead and paste in the wallet address, enter the exact amount, confirm the transaction, and you'll have successfully transferred crypto from OKX app to Binance Exchange. So that is how you could go ahead and transfer crypto from OKX app to Binance. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.